How's it going, everyone? It's Reverse Trader King with another video. We're going to talk about Chewy because it's a very interesting one and kind of surprises me. I would have never really saw this coming, but Roaring Kitty bets on Chewy and then faces a lawsuit. As you can see in this article, he discloses a 245 million position, and surprisingly, it went down because I think a lot of people are catching on. He faces claims for pump and dump scheme with GameStop shares. He's most likely all the way out of his GameStop shares. And so yeah, he has 245 million position with his 9 million shares. Gill holds a 6.6% stake. Wow. So what do we go from this? Obviously, I do not follow what Keith Gill does. I think yes, I think it is just pump and dump, and a lot of people get caught into a lot of this stuff. But here's the system, what it looks like. What are we looking at? Where can we go from here? And that's what we're going to discuss. So this is Chewy, and as you can see right now, if you look at my strategy, we hit the upper band. I was looking for a short right up in this upper band. I barely missed it because it was relatively fast, and I'll show you guys right in here what happened. But yeah, what a great shorting opportunity. Sometimes I'm at baby appointments, so I do tend to miss some trades. But for the day trade community, this was kind of what I was looking for. And $39 straight down to straight down to 25, right? Wow, that is insane. And so what happened is we had this long distance of not hitting the EMA 20, right? We had this earnings right in here, made the stock go up. And look at this. We had to go back to the EMA 20. Look at this long distance. And every price is going to touch it. And so you were playing with fire when you hit this upper band and you immediately rushed down to the 5, 10, and then the 20. So we knew that was going to happen. And then we're also going to use I'm recently starting to do trend channels, so we're going to recently start doing that. Where is it at? So we're going to do trend channels and just kind of see where are we looking at. So right in here, yeah, I think we're going to get a nice bounce here. So we hit the upper band here. What a great shorting opportunity. We went above the trend and we had to go back, and we went back into it, and now we're at the EMA 20. We're obviously in an uptrend. And as you can see at these inflection points on the shorter time frames of the trend, you can make some decent money. Do I think Chewy goes up from here? Absolutely. Just judging based on this and the EMA 20 right here is strong support. I think this can have a nice little rally. Do I know how far can it go? No. Nobody knows how far it can go. I would say look for the conservative EMA 5, which is this purple band here, and that is at $27.16. So yeah, that is something good to look at. It's just nice to see that. So we're in this nice uptrend. You can perfectly see it. We are just now, I do think we're going to hit the EMA 20. I do think we're going to retest this EMA 20. We got to get that out of the way. And then you can get a conservative gain back to the 10 and 5. So why is the stock down? Right? Is Roaring Kitty really, is he really pumping and dumping? Like, he went to GameStop and then he goes to Chewy, and then he'll probably pump the Chewy up and then dump his Chewy and just keep finding things, and he makes millions and millions of dollars, right? I actually like this company way back. I was actually looking at this company way back, and I wish I did take it for a longer term hold because when I was looking at my system, yeah, this thing had a brutal sell-off, right? This thing was just constantly going down, and if you look at the, it was just insane. And if you're looking at the system here, I like to use this now too. Like, if we're at the lower band with, the nice trend right here, this was a perfect little opportunity right in here to make massive money. Like right in here, obviously you're not going to get the exact bottom. And guess what happens is, you kept going down, but look at the big upside. If you started this as a long-term hold, you would have got in around $17, and this thing's already, pumped all the way up to 39. So, I mean, I would have obviously taken my gains at the EMA 10 and 20 up in here because that is your most reliable. So you get in your shares in here, you accumulate, and then as you can see, you have the 10, which you can take some profit here, and then you have the 20 hit, and that's where the algos have finished it. When you hit the EMA 20, price can go wherever it wants. Does it have to go up? Absolutely not. It could easily go back down and hit this up lower band here. It does not have to go up. I like to take my gains from that EMA 10 and 20 as to lock in the games just to be safe. So yeah, this is Chewy. I do think just based on what I showed you guys, we had this bottom trend line bounce. I really think we're going to get something. I think we're going to get a bounce here for sure. As you can see, we hit this, we got up, and then we're coming back down for this bottom trend line. We're close to EMA 20. We should get a bounce. We're at a 42K, so it is pretty high. It's just not my golden setup, guys. I'm looking more for shorting this if it hits the upper band again, because judging based on what I've seen with the GameStop, the pumps and dumps, you could probably will expect that with Chewy here. But yeah, it's down 6%. Yeah, it could be a great buying opportunity for sure. If we look at the smaller time frame here, even 15-minute, okay, yeah, 5-minute, it shows us a lot of signals here. If you look at the smaller time frame, you will see like where you can look to get some nice entries here. As you can see, you hit the lower band, you start going up to the 10, and then you hit the 20. And that's usually how you want to get your precise entries, because right in here is where you could look to accumulate your shares at this bottom band, and then you wait till another day and you keep accumulating once a day. And that's usually how I do my swing strategy. I love swing trading, and when price was way down here, I was loving this stock. I was like, wow, this stock is, obviously I should have held it long term when you think of it in hindsight, because you know this was a great buying opportunity. Let the price settle out and look at the increase it you know could have made here. So so $18, and if you held it, you know, it'd been a pretty good. I would have definitely sell it up on this range here though. That was a nice game there. But yeah, that is stock Chewy. That's my analysis. Definitely, I do think we can get a bounce here. You're at that bottom trend line. You're close to the EMA 20, and then you got the Gill putting a large stake, big buy purchase. So then a lot of retail traders are going to chase it. A lot of people are going to want in on it. So yes, I do think we can get a rally here. So yeah, that's my analysis. If you guys want to join my premium Discord and see my system, see my education videos, learn how I do things, I have nothing to hide, guys, right? If you want to join, click the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned. It'll say, join the premium Discord to be a profitable trader. And when you click my Discord link to join, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. Avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. All you have to do to be a member of my service is click the server shop above, and you'll see I offer two things: Swing Trading Plus and Day in Swing Trading Plus. Obviously, the Day in Swing Trading Plus is going to give you the most value. You get all the alerts, day trades, and swing trades. You get all the education videos, and you unlock all these channels. Keep in mind, do it on your computer to subscribe, and you'll avoid the iOS fees on your phone. And I'm going to give you guys alerts straight to your phone. So if you ever want to know when I get into things, you'll get pinged on your phone. And like I said, I have the swing trade alerts that look like this, day trade alerts like this. We did the QQ calls today, Tesla puts, and yeah, it was a freaking awesome, guys. And then you can see my RTK journal, see my actual trades, wins and losses. So yeah, that includes it. I really like this system because you're not really chasing the, you know when price is at the EMA 20 here, you have, range bound kind of action. I do think when you have a big move up like this, when it comes big up and then it comes dropping down fast, that's when you get your bounces right. And this could maintain an uptrend where it hits this. This is a correction we had to have. We knew we had to hit the EMA 20. Everyone that watches my videos, anything that don't touch the EMA 20 in 2 months is long, and so price tends to rush to this. No one should be surprised about this, and what happens is price comes shooting back up from that point. So yeah, do keep that in mind, guys. That's definitely a scenario we can have, but you got to play both sides of the coin, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. This is my analysis. Obviously, my strategy. I've been doing this for over 6 years. It has an over 95% win ratio. It is an amazing strategy, guys. And after much back test, nothing is perfect in trading, but this comes, pretty close. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about Chewy. And I'll see you guys in the premium Discord if you guys have any questions and if you want to join my service. All right, peace out, guys. Love you all, and happy trading.